Have you ever been on vacation and wished you had access to your money? Or maybe you're a student who needs to make international payments. If so, then you've probably heard of Monese. Monese is a mobile-only bank that offers a range of financial services, including current accounts, debit cards, and international payments. But what you may not know is that Monese is not actually a bank. So, what bank is Monese under? In this video, we'll answer that question and take a closer look at Monese to see if it's the right bank for you. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's take a step back and talk about what a bank actually is. A bank is a financial institution that accepts deposits from the public and makes loans. Banks are regulated by the government to ensure that they are safe and sound. So, if Monese isn't a bank, what is it? Monese is actually a fintech company. Fintech is a term that refers to the use of technology to deliver financial services. So, Monese is a fintech company that offers banking services. But what bank is Monese under? The answer is that Monese is not under any bank. Monese is actually a partner bank with several banks around the world. This means that when you open a Monese account, your money is actually held by one of these partner banks. So, what are the benefits of using Monese? There are a number of benefits to using Monese, including no monthly fees, no minimum balance, free international payments, easy-to-use app, 24/7 customer support. Now that we know what Monese is and how it works, let's take a closer look at some of the specific features and benefits that Monese offers. No monthly fees. One of the biggest benefits of using Monese is that there are no monthly fees. This makes Monese a great option for people who are on a tight budget. No minimum balance. Another benefit of using Monese is that there is no minimum balance. This means that you can open an account with as little as £5. Free international payments. Monese offers free international payments to over 30 countries. This makes Monese a great option for people who travel or do business internationally. Easy-to-use app. The Monese app is very easy to use. You can easily check your balance, make payments, and transfer money between accounts. 24/7 customer support. Monese offers 24/7 customer support. This means that you can get help whenever you need it. In addition to the benefits mentioned above, Monese also offers a number of other features, such as the ability to set up savings pots, the ability to track your spending, the ability to get a free debit card. Is Monese right for you? Monese is a great option for people who are looking for a simple, affordable, and convenient way to manage their money. However, Monese may not be the right option for everyone. If you are looking for a bank with a large network of branches, then Monese may not be the right choice for you. If you are looking for a bank that offers a wide range of investment products, then Monese may not be the right choice for you. Monese is a great option for people who are looking for a simple, affordable, and convenient way to manage their money. Monese is not under any bank, but it is a partner bank with several banks around the world. This means that your money is safe and secure. If you are considering using Monese, I encourage you to do your research and make sure that Monese is the right choice for you. If you are interested in learning more about Monese, please click on the link below. You can also sign up for a free Monese account by clicking on the link below. Thank you for watching.